everyone, I am Anita Singh and I welcome you all to the official YouTube channel of SRN International School. Today I am going to teach you EVS topic of grade 2, our neighborhood. Topics which I would be covering here are the brief introduction of our neighborhood. So let's know about them. They are neighborhood, neighbor, qualities of good neighbor, services in our neighborhood, and how we can live together. Dear students, first of all, I will be explaining here about neighborhood. What is neighborhood? What do we understand by neighborhood? The area around our home is called our neighborhood. And who are neighbor? The people who live near our house are our neighbors. Let's know about the qualities of good neighbors. First of all, good neighbor should help each other. They are friendly, they should live friendly, they should share their joys and sorrows together. They do not disturb each other. Dear students, we need some services like school, post office, hospital, police station, market, bank, park, and places of worship near our house to make our life easy. A good neighborhood has all these services. Dear students, we want that post office and school, these types of facilities should be near our home. So first of all, we should know that what we do there in post office. So we send letters, greeting cards and postcard to our friends and relatives through our post office. What we do in school, children? We learn to read and write in the school. Let's know about hospital. So, people who are sick or injured, they go to the hospital. Doctors and nurses take care of the patient. Market. Why we want that market should be near around our house? Because we go to buy things from the market. A market has many shops. Let's know about bank. Bank keep our money safe and we can borrow money from a bank. Yes children, this is your most favorite place, that is park. So what we do in the park? People go to relax, you go to play and walk in the park. Yes, we go to different places of worship like temples, churches, mosques and Gurudwara to pray to God. These are the places of worship. Dear students, we should live together. So, how we can live together happily? First of all, we must follow certain rules to live in peace and harmony in our neighborhood. We must respect the religion and customs of our neighbors. We should celebrate all the festivals together. We should keep our neighborhood clean and we should help each other in time of need. Dear students, then only we can live happily together in our neighborhood. Here I will end up with my topic. If you like the video, kindly do like, share and subscribe our channel. Have a great day. Thank you all.